y'all, Lone Star Keto Girl here. So why would anybody want or need a carnivore coach? I mean, isn't carnivore just eating meat and drinking water? Yeah, pretty much. But there are three main reasons people might want or need a coach. Number one, immediate feedback, one-on-one conversations to get their questions answered, concerns, whatever it may be, in real time. Number two, accountability. A lot of people really need that. Number three, probably the most common and most important one of all, support. You would be surprised how many people don't have the support from their friends, their family, their coworkers. They have nobody to talk to, nobody that has anything like that in common with them. And it makes people feel very alone and not part of a community. So to have somebody that can be there to talk to is huge. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.